function of internal structure of heart. Now today I am discussing about the functioning of the heart. Now how the heart can able to function. So now observe here. So now heart contraction is called as systole. Heart contraction is called as systole. Rest or relaxation is called as diastole. Diastole. What is systole? Heart contraction is called as systole. Relaxation is called as diastole. So here, one systole plus one diastole is equal to one cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. What is cardiac cycle? One systole plus one diastole is equal to one cardiac cycle. So here, what is systole? Here, heart contraction is called as systole. Relaxation is called as diastole. One systole plus one diastole is called as one cardiac cycle. It means one time heart can able to contraction and relaxation takes place at the time heart beating. Heart beating means per one systole, one diastole together we are called as one cardiac cycle. Per minute approximately 72 times can able to take place. The 72 cardiac cycles are going on. How many are going on? 72 cardiac cycles are going on per minute. So here now the functioning of heart takes place in four ways. Four important subparts are there in the time of functioning of heart. So they are number one, auricle systole. First, auricle diastole. Next, auricle systole. Next, auricle diastole. Next, auricle systole. Through these four actions, so when in each cardiac cycle, four events of takes place, it can take approximately 0.8 seconds time can able to require for each cardiac cycle. So that is the first step, auricle diastole. Systole means contraction, diastole means relaxation. So when the auricles are relaxed, automatically what happens? So space is more increased and in the auricle. Through that what happens? The bloody, through the pre-cover vein and post-cover vein, at right auriculars what happens? Improved blood is filled. When it is relaxation, the pressure is very less. So then at left side what happens? Pulmonary vein can able to bring the purified blood can able to bring. Through that auricular diastole, what happens? Relaxation takes place, pressure is less, takes place at the time. Both anterior chambers of the heart can able to fill with blood. So next, auricular systole. Systole means already you know, contraction of the heart is called as systole. Auricular systole, when the auricular systole takes place, through the auriculoventricular aperture, the blood is enter from auricle to ventricle. At the time of auricular systole takes place, at the time the blood can able to enter from auricle to ventricle. Next, auricular diastole. When the auricles are relaxation takes place, at the time what happens? The auricle space is increased. When the auricle space is increased, automatically when the auricle space is increased, so space is increased, the pressure is less than. So then what happens? The space is increased. So it went from auricle to ventricle. That enter blood is filled with the ventricle. So here not auricle, ventricle. Here also ventricle. So ventricle systole means when the ventricles are contracted, the blood is enter into the pulmonary vein, pulmonary artery and systemic artery. So now listen here, when the ventricles are diastole takes place, at the time lump sound will come. Through the tricuspid wall and dicuspid wall, lump sound can able to produced by the tricuspid wall and dicuspid wall. Through these two shutters can able to enter and close. When ventricular diastole takes place, two traces are closed. At the time coming heart, first sound and come from the heart is called as la. So then after ventricular systole, automatically what happens? Dub sound can able to come. Dub sound means already you know. Through this, what is this? This is a pulmonary vein. So the systemic vein and pulmonary time it is relaxation is takes place, the time what the semilunar walls also can able to close. At the time dub sound will come. Lub, dub, lub, dub. How the lub dub sound will come in the heart? Through the signals closing and opening, through the lub dub sound is come. At the time of semilunar line, by custom wall closing time lub is come, and at the time of systemic heart and as well as pulmonary veins semilunar walls closing time dub sound will come. So like that lub dub continuously takes place. So like that heart can able to function. So now it is an important other topic is the cardiac output. Cardiac output is equal to CO is equal to HR into SP. So CO means cardiac output is equal to HR into SP. Here HR means number of beats per unit. How many times heart can able to beat per minute? Is called as HR. Rate of beating, heart beating rate per minute. Heart beating rate we are described as HR. And SV is equal to stroke volume. How much volume of blood come outside through the one heart beating? So now it is come under the stroke value. So now CO is equal to, so then what is the HR into SP? HR means per minute. Generally the healthy human being's heart can able to beat 72 times per time per cardiac cycle. Approximately 70 ml of blood can able to come outside. So here what happens, approximately 5,040 ml of blood come per minute is called as cardiac output. What is cardiac output? Cardiac output is equal to HR into SP. HR is equal to per minute how many heart is beating. That is the beating rate of the heart and stroke volume. So generally per minute 72 times heart can able to beat. Per time heart is through the value, through the heart beating 70 ml of blood come outside of the heart. So it means 72 into 70 is equal to 5,004 ml. It means the healthy human beings can able to contain the only 5,000 liters of the blood only present. Per minute, how much blood can able to circulate through the heart? Per minute, 5 liters of the blood approximately can able to circulate along with the blood. So this is called as cardiac output. So like that what a heart can able to functioning. So now hearts are divided to, on the basis of functioning, heart can able to divide into two main groups. That is the myogenic heart and neurogenic heart. First is the myogenic, other is the neurogenic. Myogenic heart is present only in the higher animal. In the lower animal, neurogenic heart is present. Myogenic means the pacemaker contraction, the pacemaker initial heart beating where it takes place, that the particular site of the heart is called as pacemaker. So here the pacemaker in some animals made by the muscles, in some animals made by the neuron. If the pacemaker is made by the muscles, such kind of heart is called as myogenic heart. If the pacemakers are made by the neuron, that kind of heart is called as neurogenic heart. So in the myogenic heart, now what I am on the diagram is the myogenic heart. So two important pacemakers are present in the myogenic heart. First pacemaker is called as SA node. SA node. Second is called as the AV node. SA means sinoauricular node. Sinoauricular node. So pacemaker means where the heart can able to initially the contraction is started. The starting point of the contraction on the surface of the heart is called as the pacemaker. So in these days, like it is specialized muscle cells are there. These specialized muscle cells can aggregate a particular area. That particular area we are described as pacemaker. Through these two pacemakers are the SA node and AV node, sinoauricular node and auriculoventricular node. Both are present near to the right auricular vein. So here the starting contraction is start. The contraction wave can able to spread both auriculae. Automatically what happens? AV node will receive the information. At the time what happens? AV node will enter into the fiber-like structure is called a bundle of it. It bifurcates into two important branches. They are called the Purkinje fiber. The Purkinje fibers are also complete distributed throughout the ventricle. So this is the AC node. So when the information is first what happens here? The contraction is start from AV node. It is sent to the SA node. First what happens? the heart is contracted. What heart? Auricular contracted. So then whatever ventricles are contracted. So like this, if the pacemaker is made by the muscle, it is not under control of the neuron. Such kind of heart is called as myogenic heart. Generally, the higher animal, higher animal is from chordates. Almost all chordate animals, heart is described as myogenic heart. But in the lower animals, whatever the signal, the nerve signal, through the nerve signals, what happens? The heart can able to beating is takes place. That is especially in mollusca, acorn animal, and lower animals, neurogenic heart is present. When nerve signals, it is so you know already sympathetic parasympathetic nerves are surrounded by the heart. Through these parasympathetic and sympathetic and parasympathetic nerves, if heart can able to functioning, such kind of heart is called as neurogenic heart. So now in the higher animal only myogenic heart is there. So we are discussing mammalian heart. That's why the mammal heart is only present. It is belongs to myogenic heart. So like that heart functioning, in the heart functioning 4 events are there: auricular diastole, auricular systole, ventricular diastole, ventricular systole. So these 4 events takes place approximately 0.8 seconds. Through these complete 4 events, so now we are describing one cardiac cycle. So for cardiac cycle, cardiac output is for the cardiac cycle. So cardiac output means per minute how much blood come outside through the blood is through the heart is called as cardiac output. CO is equal to HR into SV. HR means per minute how many times heart can able to beat is called as HR. SV means per beat time how much blood come outside through the heart is called as SV. So here HR into SV is equal to HR means 72 times heart can able to beat into 70 ml of heart can outside along with the heart. So that's 4040 ml of blood per minute through the heart can able to come outside. So it is very fast, not as slow. So per minute approximately 4 5 liters of blood come outside through the heart. It's called as cardiac shot. So on the base of functioning hearts are divided into that the one is the myogenic heart, other is the neurogenic heart. Myogenic heart में heart the pacemakers are made by the muscle fiber. Such kind of heart is called as myogenic heart. The pacemakers are made by the neuron. That kind of heart is called as neurogenic heart. Generally in the higher animal, myogenic heart only present. In the lower animal, neurogenic it was present. Okay. Thank you.